This Veterans Day, let's honor those who've protected our homes and our freedom. 40% of every purchase goes directly to the Wounded Warrior Project, helping veterans and their families rebuild their lives. At SolutionsHOCl, we believe that true strength begins with care for your family's health, for your home, and for those who've sacrificed for our safety. Our products are powered by hypochlorous acid, a natural molecule your body makes to fight germs. It neutralizes odor, slime, and stains through natural oxidation technology without harsh chemicals or toxic fumes. From your kitchen to your water tank, SolutionsHOCl has a cleaner for every need. Cistern and Catchment Bomb Water Tank Cleaner keeps your water tank fresh, odor-free, and clear. Vegetable and Fruit Cleaner naturally removes residues, dirt, and grime from your produce. Plus extends the freshness amazingly longer. General Purpose Cleaner, one deep cleaner for every surface, strong, safe, and non-toxic. Marine and RV Cleaner, deep cleaning and descaling for boats and RVs water tank systems. This Veterans Day, 40% of every purchase goes directly to the Wounded Warrior Project, helping veterans and their families rebuild their lives. When you clean with SolutionsHOCl, you're cleaning your home and honoring those who protected it. Learn more. Visit SolutionsHOCl.com.